Hey guys, it's Jaydon. Today we're unboxing new scooter parts. These are my new scooter parts I got from the Vault Pro scooters. So yeah, let's open it up. So what is this? Okay, first up, I got this bundle wrapped in tape or something. Oh, that's kind of... Looks like they couldn't find an extra box or something for this. Be very careful. So the first thing I got here, Envy box ends. So I'm gonna make a separate video about these later. So yeah, these fit in the back of your Envy deck, and they make your dropout square. So it'll turn your park scooter into a street scooter. So next up, got new grips. Addict grips. Holy, these are extremely long grips. Wow. Yeah, so I got new grips. I got Addict grips. And what next? So take the tape off. A Walter Perez poster. So what tricks he's doing right here? He's I don't know what this trick is called, but here's Walter Perez, one of my favorite writers at the Vault. I use this code HOT. So yeah. And next up, we got an undialed sticker. So I'm putting these on my new bar I just got. If you didn't see in the last video, I snapped my bar at the end. So this is my new bar. Here's the main part of this unboxing. They all covered it up, so let's slice this open. Oh wait, I can put it up. Yes, T-bars. The main part of this unboxing. Affinity Basic T-bars. Yeah, I snapped my old bars, so these are my replacement bars. Yeah, these are a fair bit heavier than my Envy bars, so has some kind of slit. Pretty nice. Comes with an Infinity sticker on it, so yeah, so that's pretty cool. What else in here? Oh, there's something else in here too. Oh wow, look. They included a Vault sticker sheet, so you got this Brain one, the Vault logo, the grape slushies, the Colorful Filth collab, and the Vault Gucci sticker. That's pretty cool. Also included a shop vanguard for summer 18. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, got some grips, a new bar, some box ends, and like cool poster and stickers. So yeah. So I'll be putting these grips on my bar, and I'll be going out riding and doing a review on these box ends. So yeah, it's Japes, and we'll see you in the next video.